listen up. I've got something insane that I want to show you right now. If you watch everything in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by simply clicking on your computer and using this simple site. You can use this on your iPhone, you can use this on your Galaxy phone, but many people never make money because they don't pay attention to the first point and they don't try it for themselves. This strategy is currently working, but make sure to watch it until the very end so you can prove how it works. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So in today's method, I myself tested it and I vetted it just for you. The first thing that you need to do is go to this URL that I'm going to share with you later on, and that's the special website of today's method. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the process with you here. So I already have an account that I just did for you, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out. Okay, let me log out of here so you can see everything. This is the site that you need to go to. This platform is very simple. They will pay you in cryptocurrency and they will transfer to your bank account right now, and they will also send the money to your PayPal. Now listen, what you need to do is follow what I'm about to show you so you'll understand that you can make money right now, today. Okay, so all you want to do is register. Easy, right? Putting your username here. Your username could be whatever you like to put into it. I like to put Digital Cashflow as my username because that's the name of our channel, so make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. So as you can see here, with this website, you're going to get paid for surveys, advertising, and quizzes. What I'm going to show you is what you need to focus on to make the most money, because there's a lot of stuff that you can do on this website, but many people such as yourself might not know because you haven't been in this, but I'm going to reveal the secrets in this video, so thanks for the likes and shares, and I'll continue to do this until you become independently wealthy. So you fill out this information right here. You hit continue. Then you go back here to log in and you log in. Let me log in real quickly. Here is the account that I just created for you. Over here is my account name and I have my password. Okay, easy, right? And now I'm logged in. We're halfway there, getting ready to make some money. Now, the goal is you gotta be able to make the money fast. As you can see here, we have a couple of money that's already in here, and like I told you before, they're gonna send it straight to your bank account, to your PayPal account, to your Skrill account, or you can also start to collect Bitcoin. Now, what you want to focus on is you could advertise or you can do surveys here, but some of the stuff is boring. Now, I want you to have fun and make money in the process, so what you want to do is go to games here, you can hit play now, and bam, it's going to open up another screen. For every game that you play, you're going to make money over and over again. You play solitaire, you can play 8-ball pool here. So instead of playing games on your phone and making no money, you can make a ton of money by playing games here. Now at the very end of this video, I'm going to show you something completely hands-off, because I know some of you work, some of you are busy, and some of you just want somebody else to do the work for you. I'm going to show you a bot. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind and how you're going to make a guaranteed $100 in the next 24 to 48 hours with the site over and over again by doing exactly what I'm showing you here. So that's one way. Another way is if you look right here, view advertisements here, so you know how crazy this is. Look, win free BTC as long as you click. When you click that red dot, boom, you get paid. You see that, and all you do is open up the web page. You don't have to do anything here. Then you go right back again, click on the red dot. Now imagine just clicking red dots and getting paid. That's what happens, and you just keep doing this until you make how much money you want to make for that day. So I'm clicking on all these red dots. I'm making money right now over and over again. That's what you can do. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. if we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now listen, I want you to understand something. Make sure you put your correct PayPal account and bank transfer information as well, because if you don't do it correctly, you won't get paid. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, well, that sounds cool, but it seems like it's gonna take a long time. Right, now I see you got like 2.5 cents in your account. How can you multiply this? How can I grow this faster so I can guarantee you to make $100 per day, $3,000 per month? Check this out. Don't share this with anybody. That's what I want you to do. Go to Fiverr.com, type in virtual assistant. I do this for so many companies, honestly, and what you want to do here is to find somebody right here that you can pay $5. You see this person, $5. If you give them $5, this is what you tell these people. You say, "Hey, I want you to go to NeoBucks, and all I want you to do is go onto this website. I want you to view ads, I want you to play games, I want you to fill out surveys until my account is $100 or $50. That's all you have to do." Now, the people here on Fiverr will do whatever you want them to do. They're in India, they're in Africa, they're all over the world, right? And they will do whatever you want for $5. That's why this is called smart money and not working hard. We're working smart here. That's all I want you to do. Hire this person or anybody for $5. Right on Fiverr.com and say, "Hey, give them your account details." I do this all the time, by the way, right? And just tell them, "Do not leave this site until you see $50 to $100. You'll have that person doing it every day, and it doesn't matter how long it takes them. They would do it for you. By the way, that special website we're talking about is called NeoBucks. You can find it at neobucks.com. If you make $100 today, you only spend $5. You do it tomorrow, you've made $95, and it's a hands-off experience, which means you're spending time with your kids, you're watching YouTube videos, and you're understanding how internet marketers make money online. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.